How to improve your singing voice? Here you have top 8 suggestions for ways to improve your singing voice. 1. Always sing, always practice, and always investigate how to get better. No matter how good a singer you've become, the more you practice and the more you learn new things, the better you will get. 2. Check your posture. You might be wondering what the way you stand might have to do with your singing voice. The answer is everything. You cannot sing properly with your back arched, your chin pointing down, your hips pointing forward, or your shoulders tight. Why? Because you won't be able to breathe well or project your voice properly. Make sure you are standing straight, with your body relaxed, your knees and shoulders loose. This will make more of a difference than you can imagine. 3. Warm up before singing. This way you'll make sure your muscles are ready to work, and your vocal cords are stretched and ready for action. Warm up is very important. We have some more info on how to warm up before singing. 4. Use your belly for managing air. This is called diaphragmatic breathing. Training your diaphragm is absolutely essential for giving your best when singing. It will avoid the wrong usage of your throat, which shouldn't do any muscular work when singing, and help you manage the volume and endurance of what you're singing. 5. Learn about the singing instrument, your body. Knowing what you are working with will make a huge difference on how you take advantage of your instrument. Singing uses a lot more parts of the body than one would imagine, from your diaphragm to resonators, cavities through which sound bounces or emerges. 6. Open your mouth. Sound is generated when air makes your vocal cords vibrate, but it then has to come out. If you don't open your mouth enough for singing, not only will your singing voice lose richness and resonance, but your lyrics will be harder to understand and your singing less interesting. 7. Project your voice. Another point on letting the sound come out and reach further. Imagine you want your voice to hit the wall on the other end of the room you are in. Help it try to do so by pushing the air with your diaphragm and opening your mouth while letting the sound caress your palate and come out straight and forward. And 8. Feel the music, feel the lyrics. When singing, make sure you understand what the lyrics are truly saying, and how the music makes you feel. Find the place where the song takes you and then find the way to take whoever is listening to that same place. That will be the moment when you really will have found out how to improve your singing. You'll be surprised by the strength of this moment. And this is all about how to improve your singing voice. Now you just have to put these tips into practice. It's your turn.